Hello, my name is Shay Smith, and this is my discussion number 2 for the stage 1 of learner growth. I used the CALPA speaking and writing prompts that were on the Greenbush website. The pretest data for speaking told me that the student I chose can definitely speak in complete sentences. However, she is a high school student and she has moved to the country within a few years, and she does not have quite a good grasp on her second language vocabulary. She didn't always know exactly what she wanted to say, and she didn't always know what the question meant. She didn't understand the question, "What do you want to do when you grow up?" was asking. So I kind of had to explain that it meant, "What kind of job do you want to do?" And she said that she wanted to work with sociology, but she couldn't say the word sociology very well and was nervous to say that in front of me. In her writing, she had good mechanics in organization and development. I think this is just carrying over from her first language, and she had already had that in place in her first language. She doesn't have, once again, you're seeing she doesn't have a very high vocabulary, and that her sentence fluency and grammar isn't quite there for her second language. And I think that these align more with her just not quite having a very good grasp on the vocabulary. In her writing, I noticed that she doesn't always have the right verb tense, and this then can affect some of her pronouns. And so this is what I want to focus on with my first goal with her, is just working with verb tense and just some sentence structure. Thanks. Thank you.